Hi guys, how are you all doing? You are welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In case this is your very first time here guys, you are welcome. My name is Tiyas and I'm a Malawian YouTuber based in Zomba district, and I create content around African village lifestyle. So right now I'm going to the farm to see how our maize is progressing. So guys, that's where I'm going, somewhere behind those trees. That's where I'm going. So guys, this is the road to the maize field. It's a bushy road, but we are used to it, so we manage it. To show you guys how our own is looking like when we get there. So kindly subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Okay, so guys, I remember in a certain video I told you guys that our staple food is maize and the second staple food is rice. So this is how the rice field looks like guys, but I don't know much about the farming of rice. What I know is that rice is normally grown in a very watery land, so this is how they are doing it. Okay, so guys, welcome to our farm. Guys, our farm starts here. This is where our farm starts. So this is the demarcation, this is the church area, and this is our farm. So our main is here. So guys, I discovered that 90% of the maize in this field is doing very well and they are very healthy, as you can see. So guys, I started coming to check on the progress of maize. We also have pigs here, so I want to see their progress as well. So come with me guys as I see how the pigs are doing. Okay, so guys, I discovered that these pigs are doing so well. They have gained a lot of weight compared to the last time I came. This time they are doing so well, so I'm happy.
Apa? Sebenarnya emang gua.
Wate? Aliwo mdzatenge. Kapena mwina tibweretsa. Mawa. So guys, that is it. I wanted to give you a tour of this farmland, our maize field, guys. So thank you guys for watching. In case this is your very first time here, kindly consider subscribing, tap that notification bell, like, comment, and share this video to your friends, guys. So see you in my next video. Until then,